The Cookies Cookie Cutter and Stencil is a great time-saving tool, letting you cut row after row of cookies at once. To show you how the cookies works, I've made a batch of sugar cookie dough using the recipe we've included with your cutter. But you can choose any of your favorite rolled cookie dough recipes. To start, I'm going to remove the stencil from the cutter. Then I'm going to grip the cookies like this. Now I'm ready to rock. And just like that, I've got 4 shapes cut quick and easy, ready to bake. The stencil that comes with your cookies cutter helps you decorate your cookies like a professional. For this, you're going to need frosting, sprinkles, sparkles, whatever you want or can think of. To start, let's take a baked cookie and we'll lay the stencil on top. Then add frosting. Add some sprinkles, whatever you want to make your cookies beautiful.